Yes, welcome back to Learn and Share. Today we want to talk about saving your document. Yes, if you haven't subscribed to Learn and Share, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell for notifications. Yes, saving our documents. Let's say after you finished working on your document and you want to save it or even share it with others. The first thing, you have to go to File, and then you click on File, the backstage will open, and then you have to go to Save. When you click on Save, of course they will bring for you a window that tells you where to save your work. You want to save your work on the desktop, on the documents, or on OneDrive that is online, if you have any Microsoft account. Yes, let's say you want to save it on your desktop. You're going to click on the desktop, or to be more precise, you can click on the PC like this PC, and then you select the location where you want your work to be. Of course, where you can easily access it. So if I want it to be on my desktop, I'm going to click on the desktop and then locate the folder where I want to save my work. Or I can create a new folder, or even I can just save it on the desktop without creating a new folder. Let's say I've created a new folder. I'm going to give it a name, like maybe my assignment, just for example, my assignment. From there I have to open that document, then write the file name here. Let's say the file name is also my assignment, just like that, and then I save it. Good. So after of course I said that since this is the latest Microsoft 2019, it is asking me that your document will be uploaded to the newest file format. Yes, this is very important in case you are working on a document and you want to, the person you're sending to has a latest version or has the previous version of Microsoft. This is how you're going to save it. For example, let me go to Save As on this PC. Where is my folder? My folder had my work. On my desktop, my work, and then here, after writing my assignment here, I'm going to go to my Word document, save as type. Here where you see the save as type, you're going to select which type. If the person is using Microsoft Word 2003, then you're going to choose this template or this one, the Word document. However, you can just save it as generally as Microsoft Word. Yes, if you want to save it also as a PDF file, you can go to select the PDF option. It will be saved as a PDF file. That's how we save our documents. These are all different formats, PDF, and also if you want to save it as a web page, if you want to save it as an older version of Microsoft Word, you can still pick from there. Then you save after saving my work, it will be saved in my folder. Yes, someone asked me the difference between save and save as. Of course, after you've saved this document, for example, now it has the name my assignment. So whenever you're working on it, you're just going to click on save. Even there is a shortcut up here, save, or you will Control S. However, if you've made changes in the document and you want the original document to stay intact, you're going to go to File and then click on Save As, either using the same location or a different one. Then you can give it a different file name. Let's say this is my assignment 7. You can give this my assignment 8. So this will be now my assignment 8 because we clicked on Save As. Yes, however, if you want to make the same changes on the same document, you're just going to click on this file, on this icon up here, the save icon, and then the shortcut for saving, of course, is Ctrl+S. Ctrl+S it saves your work automatically. It's also advisable to save your work very often, maybe every after a minute or 5 minutes if you're able to. And also an advantage with this latest version of Microsoft Word is if, for example, maybe you run out of battery without noticing, maybe you're using a desktop computer and not a laptop, and power has just blacked out without noticing. So everything will disappear. Of course, the computer will black out. However, when you open Microsoft Word document again, it will bring a window that tells you that it will bring your previous work, and then you can easily click on it to recover from where you stopped. That's another advantage. However, it's always advisable to always save your work whenever, maybe every after 5 minutes or 3. You know, just have to save your work always, such that you don't lose your work. Thanks so much for watching. See you again in our next video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. See you again next time. Bye.